This is the ledge tech movement demonstration using an auto hotkey script. This is how it looks like when you use it. The main use of this, right, is for quick movement, as for example a seller to get into melee, or defensive repositioning with any class. Something to make note of is that how far you go using movement tech in Darktide depends on the dodge distance of a weapon. So the knife makes you go very far, right? But if you use something with a short dodge distance, like this last gun, you would instead go a significantly shorter distance. So the effectiveness of this movement tech is really based on what kind of weapon you're using, which will dictate if you're gonna use this tech at all or not. The way this movement tech works is if we're up above from the ground and side dodge, and then in the air we start crouching, it seems like we get less friction landing, so we keep the momentum better. So if you would do this without the script, you would basically just get up on a high area, you would side dodge and you would crouch. And the only thing this script does is making that a bit easier. Okay, so using this script, you would walk up to a vaultable object like this, press space and forward side mouse button at the same time. After this you can let go of space. You also need to hold either A or D, and this will determine if your strafe gonna side, movement tech to the left, which is A, or right, which is D. So if I'm walking up towards this, pressing space, holding forward mouse button on the side there, and holding A, I should strafe this way. And if I instead use D, I go the other way. My bad. So that's all there is to it. I recommend testing this out a bit in the meat grinder to get the hang of it, right? I will probably look at the timings of this script to make sure it works as well as possible for as many different heights that you can vault up on as possible. But at least for like the height of this table, as you can see, it's very consistent and it's a fast way to use it.